WWE Elimination Chamber 2019 results, match card, and winners. Akira Tozawa versus Buddy Murphy for the Cruiserweight Champion. The winner of this match retaining his Cruiserweight Champion, Buddy Murphy. Women's Tag Team Elimination Chamber match for the first ever Women's Tag Team Champions. Bayley and Sasha Banks versus Sonya Deville and Mandy Rose. Naomi and Carmella, Nia Jackson, Tamina, Liv Morgan and Sarah Logan, and then the Iconics. The winners of this match, the first ever Women's Tag Team Champions, Sasha Banks and Bayley. Shane McMahon and The Miz versus the Usos for the SmackDown Tag Team Champions. The winners of this match and the new SmackDown Tag Team Champions. Apologize about that. The winners of this match and the new SmackDown Tag Team Champions, the Usos. Bobby Lashley with Leah Rush versus Finn Balor for the Intercontinental Champion. The winner of this match and the new Intercontinental Champion, Finn Balor. Ruby Riott versus Ronda Rousey for the Raw Women's Champion. The winner of this match retaining the Raw Women's Champion, Ronda Rousey. Braun Strowman versus Baron Corbin. The winner of this match was Baron Corbin. WWE Champion Elimination Chamber match. Kofi Kingston versus Jeff Hardy versus Daniel Bryan versus AJ Styles versus Randy Orton versus Samoa Joe. The winner of this match retaining his WWE Champion in the Elimination Chamber was Daniel Bryan. That's all for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.